I'm gonna show you the best lock to use on your storage building. This is where I store my food truck, J. Harvey's Grill. I tried a combination lock. I did not like it because when it rained, it got rusted up and I could barely see the combinations. And sometimes it takes forever to unlock the thing. So what you want is to get one of these locks right here. Master lock. And you can get this off Amazon. In the description below, I will leave a link. But let me show you what I like about this. Once you put the key in and you turn it and unlock it, the key won't come out until you lock it back. So once you unlock it, you cannot remove the key until you lock it. So when I get ready to leave, I just put it here and I turn it. Once it's locked, I can take the key out. But like I said, you cannot take the key out until you lock it back. And that's a good thing because I did leave my storage open a couple of times. When I had the combination lock, I forgot to lock it. But this won't allow you to leave without locking it. And so you're not gonna go nowhere without your keys. So again, you just put it in, it's real easy. You turn it and you unlock it. And your key won't come out until you put it back on and lock it back. And another thing about this, it's hard to get bolt cutters in here. And you can get bigger ones if you would like. It depends on how much money you want to pay. I'll have a link below in the description. All right, thank you. Have a great day.